What is a ENS domain? Puma registered his domain on the Ethereum blockchain through ENS. But what is ENS and how it works? In the end of the video I will do a small tutorial on how to register your domain on the Ethereum blockchain. For who don't know about me, my name is Samuele, I'm a crypto investor. In general I talk about cryptocurrency, investment and so on. If you're interested in that type of content, please subscribe to the channel for not losing any video. And please thumbs up the video for helping this channel. I remember you that I have a Telegram group in which we talk about cryptocurrency, news about the crypto market and so on. I leave the link in the description. Recently there is a lot of example about ENS domain. For example, Vitalik Buterin, for example Zenek, that is a important influencer in the NFT space. And what is ENS and what it does? ENS stands for Ethereum Name Service. DNS stands for Domain Name System. When we talk about DNS, we talk about a database that registers for a string of characters. For example, www.google.com register an EP or in a private EP represent the server of the site. The only purpose of the DNS is to simplify the research on the internet, because it would have been difficult to search a website through numbers, aka EP. But what is the difference between DNS and ENS? ENS is the same idea but in the blockchain. In particular, we associate a string of characters like vitalik.eth or puma.eth with the address on the Ethereum blockchain. If we search in ifscan.io, we can find, for example, vitalik.eth, and we can see the address associated with this string of characters. What is the advantages to have a Ethereum domain? In general, we can see what is inside of this wallet and what every transaction that this wallet does. The second is that everyone that wants to send token, NFTs or more to the company or another person can be sure that is the right address. And the third point is more or less the same, that if we receive a token or NFT for giveaways or other things, we can be sure about the issuer. Let's make a short tutorial on how register your .eth domain on the Ethereum blockchain. Let's do a quick tutorial for knowing how to register a domain on Ethereum. For doing that, we need to go on app.ens.domains that we can find on Google, and then we have to connect our wallet through MetaMask, and after that we can search the domain that we want to buy. In this case I use Samuele Prova. Search, and we see that is available. We click on that and we see that we have to spend for 1 year $5. We have to pay the Ethereum gas fee that create a total cost of $33 to pay in ETH. In this moment I don't have the total amount, and in general the only but what we have to do is to follow the instruction, and in general please confirm for other 2 or 3 pages. Forever confirm that the domain is active, we can go on Etherscan, and in general I do the test with vitalik.eth that I know is registered on the Ethereum on the ENS, and we find an address. We click on that, and I think is the right, because he has more than $4 million on his account. In general, we can do a test, write our domain, and if we see our address connect on our domain, is the confirm that the process of registration of the domain is finished. Let's be clear, this is not a revolution in the blockchain ecosystem. I talk about ENS. because DNS is on the internet from many years, and this make me think that Ethereum is not very different from a Google, but in the blockchain. I know that Google is a company and is not internet, and I know that Ethereum is a blockchain that in which there is a lot of other protocol, other company, if we do a comparison with the traditional system. But I think you got the idea. So let me know in the comment what do you think about this topic, because I think it's very interesting, and please thumbs up the video for helping the channel and subscribe to the channel for not losing any video. We will see in the next video.